How to recover hacked Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your hacked Instagram account if it was hacked or the hacker changed the phone number, the recovery email, or even the password. Or if you just lost access to those details, probably because you changed your device or something. Now, before you start anything, the first step is to ensure that you have the Instagram app installed on your device. So then the next step is to go ahead and open the Instagram app. So when you open now on the login page, instead of entering your username, phone number or email, you are just going to select forget password. So when you click on that, you will be prompted to a page where you need to enter your username or email. So you are just going to enter the username and tap on continue button. Now, the only problem with this is that it will ask you again to enter the confirmation code that is sent to email. But remember, if it is a hack account, the hacker might have changed the email and you no longer have access to it. Now, in that case, what you are going to do is that you are going to open your browser. So, preferably, I'm going to use Chrome browser for this case. After that, you go to instagram.com and it will open up the login page where you can select login. So then from there, still as before, instead of entering the username or email, we're just going to select forget password. So when you select it, it will now ask you to enter the email, phone or username. But the problem is, if you do that, they will send the link either to your old phone number or email address which you don't have access to. So now you're going to click on reset your password. Then you will be redirected to the help center. Now on this page, in order for you to get this process very fast, you're going to go to the search bar under the help center and type hacked account, which is still under the Instagram section. So then from there, you can select the option that says if you think your Instagram account has been hacked. So simply click on that and you also ensure. And if you think your Instagram account is hacked, you simply select Android app help if you are using mobile device. After that, click on visit this place and then you will open the app because that is where you are going to proceed from. So now, why can't you get into your account? To select, you simply tap on my account was hacked and then tap next. So from there, now the next part is to identify your account. So usually it will ask you to enter a username, email or phone number. But since you don't have access to the phone number or email, you're just going to enter your username because that is the easiest way to identify your account. So after entering the username, you simply tap on next. So when you do that, they will send the confirmation code to the email address in order for you to confirm whether you have access to it. So you are going to open that email address. From the email address, you are just going to copy the confirmation code and simply paste it over the Instagram page. After you have pasted the confirmation code, you will simply tap on confirm. And then it will bring you to the page where you can change password. So here you can create new password. So after creating new password, you can simply tap on submit. And that's it. You have successfully recovered your hacked Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.